the sensitivity of a liquid in gas thermometer can be increased by. Sensitivity means increasement of liquid column per 1 Celsius degree. Then A, increasing the length of capillary tube of thermometer. No, we can't increase the height increasement of liquid column by increasing the length of capillary tube. Then A is incorrect. B, increasing the internal radius of the capillary tube of thermometer. We know that when increasing internal radius, the height increasement is decreasing. Therefore, it's also incorrect. C, increasing the volume of liquid bulb of the thermometer. Yes, we can increase the sensitivity by increasing increasing volume of bulb, because of when the initial volume is a higher value, we can get a high expansion. Then only C is true. Answer is 3. Once the necessary materials are provided, which of the following thermometers is easiest to construct in laboratory? We can construct thermocouple easily. Therefore, answer is 1. The mercury column of an uncalibrated thermometer stands at 12 centimeters when placed in steel. It means higher fixed point. At 2 centimeters when placed in mertinite, it means lower fixed point. And at 4 centimeters when placed in salt water, the approximate temperature of salt water. Lower fixed point 0 degrees, corresponding height of mercury column 2 centimeters. At 100 degrees Celsius, mercury height 12 centimeters. We have to find the temperature when mercury height is 4 centimeters. 100 minus 0, 100. Divide by theta minus 0, theta should be equal to 12 minus 2, 10. Divide by 4 minus 2, 2. You have to remember that method. 100 minus 0, 100. Divide by theta minus 0, theta. 12 minus 2, 10. 4 minus 2, 2. Then we can simplify it and get theta value 20 degrees Celsius. Then answer is 2. The thermodynamic substance used in thermometer must have a property that varies with temperature. If there is no property which is changing with velocity, so changing with temperature, we can't measure temperatures by using that property. Then answer should be 3. The distance between two consecutive degree marks of the scales of two mercury in gas thermometers P and Q found to be 1 millimeter and 3 millimeter respectively. In P 1 millimeter, Q 3 millimeters. Consider the following deductions made over the thermometer. Statement A. Thermometer Q has a small capillary bore radius than that of B. No, we can't get it as a correct statement. We can't determine it. It could be happen, but it is not the only one reason. Therefore, it is false. B. Thermometer Q has a larger mercury bulb than P. It also incorrect. These both conditions are correct, but it is not the not the only one reason for the sensitivity. Then C, readings taken with thermometer Q is more accurate than those taken with P. Yes, it is correct. When the sensitivity is the higher value, readings are correct. Then only C is true. Answer is 3. When a mercury in glass thermometer and thermocouple were used to measure the temperature of a hot liquid, the thermocouple indicated higher reading, the most appropriate reason for that. We can consider the corresponding liquid, and when placing thermocouple and mercury glass thermometer, reading of thermocouple is greater than this one. We know that the cause of the reason for this is the heat absorption by the thermometer from the system is a small value for the thermocouple. But it is not given in the answers. Therefore, we can consider the volume of liquid is very small. If the initial volume of liquid is a higher value, this difference will be a small value. But we can observe a considerable difference because of the small volume of liquid. Then answer should be 4. The mercury column faces in mercury in glass thermometer when the temperature is raised. The most appropriate reason for this is, we know that the expansion of glass is a small value than mercury. Then glass expands less than mercury when heated. Answer should be 4. Consider the following statements carefully. A. Constant volume gas thermometer is not suitable for measuring rapidly changing temperatures because it is not an accurate thermometer. Now it is false. It is an accurate thermometer, but we know that gases are weak thermal conductors. Therefore, response time is a large value. Then A is incorrect. B. Thermocouple is suitable for the measuring rapidly changing temperature because its heat capacity is large. It also incorrect. We know that thermocouple has a small heat capacity. Mercury in glass thermometer is not suitable for measuring rapidly changing temperatures because its heat capacity is very small. It also false. All three statements are false, but they have given all A, B, C are true. I think that it should be all A, B, C are false. Graph shows the variation of length of the liquid column of a certain mercury in glass thermometer C and alcohol in glass thermometer Q. When temperature theta, a student draws the following general conclusions safely based on the graph. Part A. Mercury thermometers are more sensitive than alcohol thermometers. It is false. We can't get it directly because of it is depending on size of bulb, internal radius of tube. Then we can't get it as a correct statement. It is depending on other physical quantities. Then B. Mercury thermometers are longer than alcohol thermometers. It also depending on volume of the bulb. It's also incorrect. Volume expansivity of mercury is greater than that of alcohol. It is correct, but we can't get it by using the graph. They have given a graph, therefore we have to consider a statement corresponding to the graph. Then we can't get by using the graph. Then all A, B, C are false, none of A, B, C true. Then fifth one is the correct answer. Thermometer must possess good sensitivity as well as good accuracy. If the connection which of the following is true regarding mercury in gas thermometer? We can reduce the volume of the gas bulb to increase accuracy because of if there is a large gas bulb, the initial volume of mercury is a higher value. Therefore, heat absorption from the system is a higher value. Therefore, the deviation from the accurate reading is a higher value. Therefore, we can reduce the volume of gas bulb to increase the accuracy. When increasing sensitivity, we have to use a small radius of capillary. Then reduce the volume of gas bulb and reduce the radius of capillary. Third one is the correct answer.